Hi, my name's Tom. I was given this next product in exchange for an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This next product is a grill cover, but it's not the kind of cover you think. It's a grill ground cover or a grill mat. This is a thick, black, heavy duty cover for the ground or the porch or the patio where you cover your grill. Check out this material. It is thick, it is black, it is well stitched all the way around. Got a nice little liner there. Why would you want this on a patio or for a porch? This will go ahead and protect your deck, your cement, anything that your grill is on. It will protect it from things like water, dirty water. It will protect it from things like food or grease or spilled things. With my old grill, I actually had a grease trap that actually was on hooks and it broke and it spilled grease all over my patio and it stained my patio. And no amount of power washing could get that sort of stuff out. This cover is meant for the ground to go ahead and protect that deck or patio from any kind of spills from your grill. It doesn't matter what side you put down either. Both sides are the same. It's even fireproof, so if you have a charcoal grill with sparks and with things popping off, this will protect it from the embers and things falling from hitting your wood deck and actually catching fire. So here's my natural gas grill. It's about a medium size. It's a Genesis. It's 3 burners, so it's not tremendous, but you'll see how this grill cover is actually big enough for even the largest of grills. So what I'm going to do, it's a natural gas grill, so it's actually hooked in with a hose. I'm just going to slide it over to the side, put down the mat, and then slide the grill back on. Ta-da! Now my entire work area where I pick up my food, I pick it off the grill, I have my side burners where I actually have plates of food and sauces. All of that is protected. Any spills, any embers, any grease will get caught right here without actually damaging my patio, or again, if I had a wood deck, especially important not to damage the wood. It's about a half hour later. My wife just went ahead and made dinner, and we did clean up a little bit. We had a couple little spots, a little bit of water. Oh, actually just cleans the mat right up, but I want you to show you something. The mat is actually waterproof. See how it beads up on this and just kind of rolls off? That's really nice. Same way with grease. Grease just sits on it. You take a paper towel, you just kind of blot it up when you have a chance, and you're fine, and you protect the flooring underneath. Now, you can take this up and go ahead and hose it off. You can wash it off if you want. Just hose it off, let it dry, put it back, and you're good to go. So if you have a grill, whether it's charcoal or gas or even natural gas, and you tend to go ahead and make a mess with things, or you're afraid of hurting your deck or your patio or staining something, go ahead and grab this grill mat. It works great. It protects the ground underneath it from just about everything. It's washable, it's durable, it's even flame proof, so if you drop something fire on it, it won't burn through. It's great. I recommend it.